Everybody is a superstar in their own right and nobody's a superstar anymore.
Everyone feels the need to scream louder than the other.
This is what happened. She was 18 years old and she got pregnant, but she couldn't speak because he was a so-called celebrity.
This is a tough industry. The kind of the competition here is extreme.
If he doesn't get awarded for dialogues, I'm going to start my own awards.
जो यंग होते हैं वो बेस्ट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, बाकी सपोर्टिंग होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्टिंग?
Superstardom is over. Everybody is a superstar in their own right and nobody's a superstar anymore.
That's a very interesting
That era is over.
Today, again, I think that's one of the pitfalls of social media. You know, people have actually, no one has an opinion, but everyone has an opinion. I don't know how that works. Because actually, I don't know. Most people know nothing about nothing, and I'm sorry to be saying this. But everyone feels the need to scream louder than the other. And I don't feel that compulsion, and I don't care whoever calls me a coward or it's my life, it's my voice, I'll use it where I want to, when I want to, and I won't when I don't.
कुछ भी हो जाए सीधा आता है कि फिल्म वालों आप इस पर ओपिनियंस क्यों नहीं दे रहे, आपने इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा आपने. बट ये अक्सर सिर्फ फिल्म वालों के पास होता है. मैंने तो कभी देखा नहीं कि ये सारे क्रिकेटर्स के पास जाते हैं. जो टॉप 10 क्रिकेटर्स हैं या टॉप 15 क्रिकेटर्स हैं उनकी ओपिनियन कोई पूछता नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई जस्ट फील दैट क्रिकेट एंड फिल्म्स आर एज मच अ religion in this country, equal, no?
One advocate, she's a lawyer, and she texted me and she said that this is what happened. She was 18 years old and she got pregnant because this guy must have promised God knows what he did, and that girl went under depression. She went to her for counseling, so she knew that girl, and then later that girl got lost. So she's like, but she couldn't speak because she was a normal girl and because he was a so-called celebrity. So she couldn't speak about, but because this matter is out, I want to tell you. There are so many girls who've texted me. There's a girl, she doesn't want to reveal her identity, but then she told me that how this guy drugged her to do stupid things with her. And these were all 18, 17-year-old girls.
To propose Shraddha for marriage in 10 seconds, what would you tell her?
I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you warm. You can trust me forever, and I'll take care of your family as well. That's pretty cool. Huh?
That's amazing.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Oh my God.
What was your feeling when you saw Deepika at JNU yesterday, with standing in sort of solidarity with Aishik Ghosh, who was brutally attacked recently, and with the JNU students?
मेरे हिसाब से ये बहुत वायलेंस बहुत ऑफल होती है, एंड जिस तरीके से ये हमारे देश में अभी ये चल रहा है, ये माहौल चल रहा है, आई रियली कांट बिलीव इट कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई रिस्पेक्ट व्हाट दीपिका डिड यस्टरडे, एंड I hope that a lot of people would stand up.
Interestingly, whenever these campaigns have happened, the movies have done well. Be it Dangal, be it Veeri the Wedding. So there have been so many examples.
Absolutely. You know, before we started rolling, I said it's a beautiful line which I read and so relevant in our times, that courage, like fear, is contagious. And I think Deepika has made sure that courage is going to be contagious.
I think nobody writes serious issue dialogues as brilliantly as he does, because they're so simple, but yet so impactful.
Dialogues are amazing in this movie.
I'm telling you,
so many of them.
If he doesn't get awarded for dialogues, I'm going to start my own awards. And then keep giving it to him for every film he does.
This is a tough industry. The kind of the competition here is extreme, and it is unfair of me to say that it's unfair, because everyone goes through it. Everybody goes through rejection, and you have to face that rejection, because if you don't face that rejection, then you can't handle life, and you can't be in this industry, because this industry, no matter where you reach in life, in this industry, no matter what stage, there will be a lot of setbacks.
Our exports are very small. We are doing only less than $300-400 million a year, which is nothing, which is the business of one film in China.
Sure.
So actually it's a mindset of our filmmakers and stars that they are not thinking seriously enough to address larger audience. Aamir has made some attempt.
Yeah.
You know, it is a conscious attempt, so he went and cultivated. Shah Rukh started doing it because a niche developed around him in Germany, but he's given up. He's not concentrating enough. Salman has never bothered. He is happy with his diaspora audience.
Neena ji, I had a bit of a problem with the entire award division, the way it happened with Badhaiyo, for example.
You know, I felt that you guys deserve to be nominated in the Best Actor and Actress category, and when that Best Supporting Actor and Actress thing happens, I find it like ridiculous. आप कैसे देखती हैं इसको? That
मेरे को अवार्ड अब मिलने शुरू हुए
जी,
तब मैंने इस बारे में सोचना शुरू किया। मैंने ये सोचना शुरू किया कि व्हाट इज अ सपोर्टिंग तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए।
right.
बेस्ट एक्टर होता है या बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस होते हैं, अब जरूरी नहीं है कि यंग होगा तो ही वो बेस्ट एक्टर होगा।
Exactly.
तो ये हमारे यहाँ प्रथा चली आ रही है कि जो हीरो हीरोइन होते हैं, मतलब जिन पे फिल्म बेस्ड होती है,
Right.
जो यंग होते हैं वो बेस्ट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, बाकी सपोर्टिंग होते हैं। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्टिंग? इफ आई मे आस्क यू, टेल मी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्टिंग एक्टर? नो, आई बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट।
I have to say, if like whenever I get married and whoever I get married to, I have to be completely cracked with that person.
No, I think that
I have to. It's very important.
That is important.
For me. For me, I have to be like full,
That makes sense. What?
which is
गया वो जमाना जब सिनेमा ओल्ड था, हम हीरो हीरोइन को प्यार को ही देखते थे, उनके बालों को ही देखते थे, उनके कपड़ों को ही देखते थे, उनके डायलॉग के अंदाज को देखते थे। लेकिन अब दिल मांगे कंटेंट, अब दिल मांगे कहानी, दिल मांगे कैरेक्टर। तो जब बात कैरेक्टर पे आती है तो हम कैरेक्टर एक्टर कहाँ से बच सकते हैं? हमें तो मिलेगा ही ना काम।
I mean, it's taking us a lot of effort to understand the taste of the audience. Look at the successes in the past, in the recent past. The audience is making very brave choices, and they are not caring about the size of the film or who's starring in it. They just smell something new about the film and they go and watch it.
How would you react to following YouTube comments on Malang trailer? दिशा मैम, टाइगर को छोड़ो, आदित्य को BF बना लो, जबरदस्त जोड़ी है।
see, he is my best friend. He is my best friend.
BFF. On BFF.
BF.
Complete the following sentences, please. Prabhas will make a good husband because he has.
Because he's Bahubali, yaar. Epitome.